Learners, in this session we will continue chapter 11 has, have and had. Today let's do textual exercise. We use has with singular nouns. We use have with I, we, you, they and plural nouns. We use had with both singular and plural nouns. We use had to talk about what happened in the past. We use has with singular nouns. We use have with I, we, you, they and other plural subjects. We use had with both singular and plural nouns. So first exercise, fill in the blanks with has or have. First question, a rabbit dash long ears. Look at the first picture. Here only one rabbit is there. That means singular. Only one singular. That means we use has here. A rabbit has long ears. Okay. Write in textbook has. Second one. The girl dash curly hair. Can you tell me answer? What will come there? Yes, has. Why? Why do we use has there? Because here only one girl. One girl is there. So the girl, that means singular, we use has there. Next one, third picture. Two boys are playing with toys, right? Two boys are playing. The boys dash many toys. The boys, more than one. So we use have. Two. The boys have many toys. We use have with plural subject. Next one. The plant dash beautiful flowers. The plant. The plant, not plants. The plant means singular, so we use has. The plant has beautiful flowers. Take next page, page number 62. Fifth question. The book dash 12 chapters. The book, singular noun, so we use has. Sixth one, trees dash many branches. Trees, plural, that means more than one, so we use have there. Okay. Next exercise. One more time I will explain. See, first one, a rabbit has long ears. Has, H-A-S, has. Second one, the girl has curly hair. Okay, write in textbook. Third one, the boys have many toys. The plant has beautiful flowers. Next one, the book has 12 chapters. Trees have many branches. Okay. Next exercise. Choose the correct words given in the brackets and fill in the blanks. First one. We dash a picnic yesterday. We dash a picnic yesterday. Two options given. Has and had. Tell me what will come there? Had. Why? Because this past tense, no, yesterday, past. We use had to talk about what happened in the past. Okay. So we use had there. Second one, the shopkeeper dash a loads of fruits today. The shopkeeper has. Why? Two options given, has and had. Correct answer is has, because the fruits today. Today. So we use has. Today means present. Then write there has. Next one, an ant dash 6 legs. Options, have or has. An ant. An ant, only one ant. So we use has there. Next one, he dash an umbrella. He, singular subject. Options given, has or have. So you write there has. Why? He, singular, only one. Next one, we dash a new computer. B. We use have with the plural nouns. So we write. You have to write the have. We have a new computer. Last one. Yesterday I dashed a pizza. Options have or had. Yesterday. Then what will come there? Had. Yesterday I had a pizza. Not now. Yesterday I had a pizza. Now I had no pizza. Okay. Then write there had. One more time. Listen. We had a picnic yesterday. The shopkeeper has lots of fruits today. Anand has 6 legs. He has an umbrella. We have a new computer. Yesterday I had a pizza. First you have to write in textbook. Then you have to write in your rough book also. Okay. Next, same page. Look at the activity time. Work in pairs. Discuss about two things that are common in your and your partner's bag. For example, you can write like this. I have a tiffin box. Then my friend also has a tiffin box. Then write two more sentences like that. I have a pencil box. My friend also has a pencil box. Right? Next one. I have a water bottle. My friend also has a water bottle. Like that you can write. Okay, this is your homework. Next one, listening and speaking time. Take next page, page number 63. Here's you use has, have and had. School bag, pencil box, lunch box, water bottle, march and English books. First student. I have a school bag. You have a school bag. I have a school bag. You have a school bag. Then partner, he has a school bag. We have our school bags. Then both. We had our school bags last year too. Like that you have to complete pencil box, lunch box, water bottle, maths and English books. Not maths and English books. Okay, I have a pencil box. You have a pencil box. Then partner, he has a pencil box. We have our pencil boxes. Then both, we had our pencil boxes last year too. Like that you can write. Okay. Next one, learn with fun. Look at the pictures of children with different toys. Give each child a name and write what toy the child has. Look at the first picture. Okay, Sajal has a doll. Like that you have to write 2 to 5. This is your homework. Sajal has a doll. See the boy. You can write the name of that boy. You can write any name. And what is cycle? Bicycle. Next one, ball. Okay, you have to give a name for that boy. Like that you have to complete this one. This is also your homework. Okay, thank you.